Hi everybody. Today we are looking at this B&W Tow Stow receiver hitch. Run a construction company. We specialize in fence and excavation, and we're towing all the time, towing very heavy. This hitch has been perfect. This is the 5-inch drop. None of our trucks are super high. 5 inches more than enough. It is a 2.5-inch receiver on this one. It's rated to 18,000 pounds gross vehicle weight rating with a tongue weight of 1,800 pounds. This particular model we chose has a 2 5/16 and a 2-inch ball. I'll try to do this one-handed for the sake of the video. Pull the cotter pin, remove that pin, and you can roll this over to whatever ball you select, or need, I should say. But extremely easy to use. We've been very happy with it. It's quiet, it doesn't rattle around, and we have probably about 2,000 miles of towing on this ball without any issue. You can see the wear is minimal. We keep good grease on it, and we've been really happy with it. Might be a little more expensive than some of the other hitches, but worth every penny in quality and peace of mind.